Hello Tim, my name is Steve Mobbs, and welcome to the Pear Company. As you can see the logo on your shirt. Yep, anyway you have been hired as a networking staff, well done.
Thanks boss. I will definitely get right on to work.
Hold on there Tim, before you can start operating you have to tell me about what you know on networking and around that area. We'll start with an easy one. What is networking?
Rightio, let's see. Networking is the practice of linking two or more computing devices together for the purpose of sharing data. Networks are built with a mix of computer hardware and computer software.
Well done Tim. Now, first of all, a network concept is the definition of a network and how it works and what it does. Now can you name the different types of networks?
Okay, well the most common ones are LAN stands for Local Area Network, WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network, WIN stands for Wide Area Network, and MIN stands for Metropolitan Area Network.
Very good Tim. Now, tell me about the networking hardware.
Very well. Network hardware is the individual components of a network system that are responsible for transmitting data and facilitating the operations of a computer network. Although a network contains many hardware components, there are lots of basic categories that make up the complete operations of a network system.
Correct. And what are the four main network systems that make the hardware work?
Network router, network interface card, network switches and network bridge.
Okay, good. Okay, here's a bit of a hard one. Explain network topologies.
Too easy. Network topology refers to the layout of a network and how different nodes in a network are connected to each other and how they communicate.
Well done. Alright, since you know, what other types of network connections are there?
Wait, there are different types of network connections?
Yes, Tim. Ugh, okay, I'll tell you what they are this time. Alright, one of the really olden days was analog, also called a dial-up. Access it is both economical and slow, about 56K. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network, is an international communications standard for sending voice, video, and data over digital telephone lines or normal telephone wires. 64 to 126 kbps. Then there is DSL, always on connection, because it uses existing 2-wire copper telephone line connected to the premise and will not tie up your phone as a dial-up connection does. ADSL and ADSL2 supports data rates of from 1.5 to 9 Mbps when receiving data and from 16 to 640 kbps when sending data. ADSL requires a special ADSL modem. ADSL2 is the same but with a faster speed access. And I think that's it.
No, hold on, I think there is also cable and wireless connection. Cable internet works by using TV channel space for data transmission, with certain channels used for downstream transmission, and other channels for upstream transmission. And wireless internet, or wireless broadband, is one of the newest internet connection types. Instead of using telephone or cable networks for your internet connection, you use radio frequency bands. Wireless internet provides an always-on connection which can be accessed from anywhere.
Oh haha, I knew that, I was just testing you.
Haha, of course you were, sir.
Haha, yes. Now tell me about network communications.
Well, network communications is basically what you can communicate with over the internet and everything around it that involves it, such as serial communication, PPP and PPP over Ethernet, electronic mail, running network servers, and firewalls.
Good. Okay, now the most basic one. Tim, What is the internet?
Haha, well, what isn't the internet? The internet is a global computer network that connects people with each other all over the world through their personal computers. The internet consists of thousands of networks interconnected by fiber optic cabling, satellite and other means. The internet is people, computers and information electronically linked to each other around the world.
Haha, well done. But with the internet you need to know about network security. Tell me what you know about network securities.
Well, mainly internet is what you definitely need in your computer, like how firewall works in your computer. These virus, spyware and trojans can damage your computer and damage your files. You can usually tell by increasing amounts of unsolicited email, unwanted pop-up advertising, browser homepage changes without your knowledge. Your computer operates slower than it has in the past. So if any of these signs occur, should really back up your computer.
Well said. 1 second, Tim. Hello. Yes. Yes, she's here. All right. Thank you. Bye. That was the network administrator for this company. He wants you to the top floor. But before you go up to the administrator's work, can you tell me before the simple tasks of a network administrator?
Sure, boss. Let's see, you need to install and configure the appropriate protocol packages as described in Configuring LAN Connections. You also need to update the networking files on other machines so that they know of the new machine's existence. But common tasks are installing and maintaining networking hardware and software, assigning names and addresses to each computer and device on the network, assigning names and identification numbers (IDs) to network users and groups, performing the commands required to share, remove, and restrict resources, updating all appropriate networking files on your network's machines, troubleshooting network activity, performance tuning. And yeah, that's about it.
Well done, Tim. Now you can go up there and bring our pair company to a level of achievements.
Thanks, boss. Won't let you down.